Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. The website URL feature in PPC Ad Editor enables users to instantly generate ad previews by extracting content directly from a website. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, streamlining the ad creation process. Let's get started. Select Google Ads as the preferred ad channel. Select the responsive search ad format. This feature supports multiple ad channels, but this guide focuses on Google search ads. Choose Use Website URL under Select Data Source. Click the Continue button to proceed. In the Website Data Source window, enter the full URL of your website, including the protocol, HTTPS, and domain name. Next, click the Generate Preview button. On the right panel, click the Preview button for the most recent entry. PPC Ad Editor will extract relevant headlines, descriptions, and content from the website using advanced web scraping. The system intelligently identifies key content and optimizes it into a structured ad format. Within seconds, a complete ad preview is generated. In the navigation bar, click on the Edit Mode icon to switch modes. You can make necessary modifications to align with your campaign objectives. Fill in the required details at your own preference with ease. Click on the Live Preview section to review the site link. Press the Add button to finalize the site link creation. Easily modify any section of your ad with seamless flexibility. Fill in the required details. Adjust headlines, descriptions, and URL fields if required. After finalizing the ad preview, you can easily share the mockup with clients for approval. In the Share modal, click Copy Link to copy the public URL to share. You can also modify access permissions by clicking the drop-down menu to grant roles as a viewer, editor, or commenter. Copy the link or invite specific users via email. Select the permission level from the drop-down menu next to the email field. The website URL featured in PPC Ad Editor simplifies ad creation by automatically pulling content from a website and generating instant ad previews.